Welcome to the Menumium step-by-step tutorial series. In today's session, we'll learn all about the Menumium's table and reservation. Before starting this setup, make sure you've already completed the business setup and food setup, as these are the mandatory first steps. Go to Table and Reservation and click on Floor Setup. Here you'll see 3 buttons: View Trash, Available Tables, and Add New Floor. Clicking Add New Floor will open a form where you can enter the required details: floor name, maximum table capacity, maximum person capacity, number of windows, area square feet, floor width, and length. You can also add a short description if needed. Finally, upload a floor image and complete the floor setup. Once a floor is created, it will show up in the floor list with its name, details, table info, and status. On the right side of each floor, you'll notice 2 options: an I button for quick view and a 3-dot menu. If you click the 3 dots, you'll find Edit Details, where you can update floor information. To manage tables, click on Create New Table. From here, you can create new tables. You'll need to provide the table name, maximum person capacity. Since we're creating a table for the ground floor, that floor will be auto-selected, and position and shape. You can also write a short description if needed. Lastly, upload a table image and complete the setup. Once you've added a table, head over to the Available Table option. This page displays your newly created table along with its details under the correct floor. You can even create reservations here by entering the necessary information. If needed, you can move a floor to trash, with the choice to restore it later or delete it permanently. The I button lets you quickly view the floor. At the top right corner, you'll notice a toggle switch to change floor status and a delete option. Clicking on View Details opens a full page of floor information. On this page, you'll also see options to delete or edit the floor, plus a toggle for availability. Below, you'll find the list of tables under that floor. From here, you can add new tables or refine the view using the filter option. Under the Table Setup option, you will find Table List. At the top, you can view a table analytics section that shows the total number of tables and their statuses: active, engaged, reserved, available, or inactive. You can also create a table from this page. Since we've already shown you how to do that, let's move on to the next setting. You'll see 2 action buttons for each table. The I button lets you view table details, where you'll find a status toggle, a delete option on the top right, and at the bottom, options to make a reservation or edit table details. The 3-dot button also allows you to edit details, make reservation, or move the table to trash. Lastly, under Available Tables, you can see all the tables you have created. So far, we have completed setting up the floor and tables. Now, let's move on to creating a reservation. First, go to Manage Reservation. On the top right, you'll see 2 buttons, one for Available Tables and another for Create Reservation. To create a reservation, fill in the required details: reservation date, reservation time, number of persons, and floor number. After that, select either a specific table or an entire floor based on your customer's request. In the Customer Info section, you can add walk-in customer details along with the contact person's information. You can also add customers from the customer's list. Under the Billing section, you have the option to set an advance booking fee for a specific table. You can set up the advance booking fee from the Settings section. I'll show you that at the end of this video. Choose a payment method and enter the paid amount. You can also add a comment and choose to display it on the customer's receipt. Finally, click Create Reservation to confirm the booking. You can view all created reservations under the reservation list, which displays the reservation ID, customer name, date, reservation details, and advance payment record. Clicking the I button opens the full reservation details, including date, time, floor, and table number. At the bottom, the Edit button lets you update reservation information. After clicking View Details, you'll be taken to the Reservation Details page, where you can download the invoice or edit the reservation from the top right corner. You can also access the same editing options from the three-dot menu, which includes Edit Details, Link Order, Download Invoice, Cancel Reservation. Within the reservation details, you can also update linked order info, customer information, and contact person details. Back on the Manage Reservation page, the three-dot menu beside each reservation provides quick access to edit details, view details, link orders, download invoices, or cancel the reservation. Clicking Available Tables lets you view all tables and see notifications for existing reservations. You can also create a new reservation directly from this page. The advance booking fee that we set during the reservation can be done beforehand. Let me show you how you can do that. Go to Settings and click on Orders and Reservation. Under Reservation, you'll see a toggle called Need Advance Fee for Reservation. Once you turn it on, two options appear: Set Common Booking Fee and Set Individual Fee. If you choose Set Individual Fee, you'll get two more choices, one for floor reservation and another for table reservation. There's also an option to multiply the fee by quantity. For now, let's go with Set Common Booking Fee. You can also set a minimum cancellation time for reservations and define it by month, day, or hour. Also, the system lets you choose from two payment options for your customers: pay later or advance payment. Once done, click Save. Congratulations! Your Menumium's table and reservation setup is now complete. Thank you for following along. If you have any questions, feel free to contact Menumium support. Happy serving!